Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So we've had a fairly decent break. We've got crossovers on the moving averages. Oscillators is just the only thing that's worrying me. We're sort of grouping back to the upside, so I would expect some kind of a pullback. So for me, there's some key levels that have gone, and the first two are obviously this 34,960 or 3,500, and then 34,820. So those levels are definitely gone. We've got a bit of indecision here at 35,272. You can see tilt the upside, tilt the downside, so a little bit concerning. But ultimately, we've had a week of up, a week of sideways, and we're now busy with another week of up. So if we start drilling down to the time frames, the trend is up, definitely looking for opportunities to buy. You're not looking to sell this at the moment, and nothing really there for us to buy into. And at the same time, you can see we had a pretty big up day and then a big retracement, kind of on par with what happens at the open. You can see we rally during the European session, then we fall, find support, and then the buyers step in. Kind of came in off nowhere though. We didn't really get an opportunity to buy. Does look like a bit of a flag forming. Oscillators have eased off a little bit. I'd like them to ease off a bit more than that before jumping in long. So moral of the story today is really 15 minutes, and there are pretty much only two areas. So the first area is kind of where we're finding support at the moment. That's 35,250. So I would wait for European Open to see if this holds with an engulfing bar or inside bar or pin bar. But just bear in mind that you do have this previous swing low here as well, which I think is more than likely what is going to be a half decent entry, and that's at 35,150. Then you have 3,500 if that gives way. 3,500 would definitely be something which I would be paying attention to. I don't see any, this might be a gap here, but I don't see any other gaps. No, there are gaps down here on the 5 minute. So you can see there is a gap. There's a small gap there. There's another one there. So very gappy. I would be more comfortable, just get back to the hour, I'd actually be a lot more comfortable coming back into this area here. But that's going to erode all of yesterday's gain. So this 3,500 area is definitely something that I'm going to pay attention to as well. So moral of the story for today is quite simple. The trend is up, you're looking to buy, you're looking to go with the trend. What you're looking for is opportunities to buy where your risk is as low as possible. So watch all these levels. All three of these levels can offer support. So if it does sort of have a quick squirt to the downside, which is going to be a big squirt, it's almost 1% move, but that's nothing in the bigger scheme of things. So you can see the 50-minute already grouping to the downside as well. So if this holds, then you're looking for a move to the upside. I'd take the break rather than trying to find support. So the break of the current high. So it's almost like a London breakout strategy. Breakthrough, come back, test it, buy, and your stop is here. So it's a 100-point stop loss. Perfect setup. If that fails, then you're looking for support down here. And then your stop is below the swing low. If this fails, you don't get price action here, then I'd be holding out for this one here. And 34,600 or 34,938 is the exact level here. Actually, no, that would rather be the exact level. So that's 34,962. That's kind of the move that I would expect. One of those two. Yeah, trend is up though, so you're looking for opportunities to buy. There's no reason on the hour to be looking for opportunities to sell. Pullbacks are to be bought, and that's as simple as that. Anyway, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.